Hi guys, Randy with Guaranty again. Hey, we're going to go over today a Nano by Coachmen. And it's a small lightweight trailer that weighs about 3,450 pounds. Let's go inside and check it out. So this floor plan is the next step up from the 187 we just saw a little bit ago. This does have the same great bed, north and south queen. Again with the same closets and wardrobe space. Again with the lift up storage underneath it. So it has all that great design you want in the front end. Yeah, and the benefit to this model is we have our big full-size dinette with storage underneath it, and it's in a slide out. So we have a 19-foot box with a north and south queen bed with a nice slide out, and that means our bathroom's all the way across the back for a great bath. Our kitchen is good size for the size of the trailer. Double sink, 2-burner stove, microwave, double door refrigerator, not a half of one, and does have a pantry for storage. And then the cool part about it is when you put the bathroom in the back, again, we're going to get storage for linen and towels and clothes that hang up, everything on the right. We still get a nice corner shower. Remember, it's a 19-foot trailer that weighs 3,400 pounds. So again, tow it with anything. When people come in, there's two things they've asked for. Can we get a north and south walk-around bed? We're tired of doing the corner thing, and we'd like to have a slide out. But here's what we got to tow with, and it tows only 5,000 pounds. Perfect rig for them. They get everything they want. Bed makes them doing the guest bed for the kids at night if you got grandkids or a friend. But really, another great couples coach. So a lot of pop in a small trailer that's lightweight. Sell a lot of these. The one I just showed before didn't have the slide out. You can sure tell the difference in how much more room you got. So if you got a dog or a lab or anything underneath your feet, you're going to want to slide. Lightweight, this is your baby. Small footprint. Let's check the outside stuff out. So just like the last couple I've shown you, we have our power awning across the top with a built-in LED light bar, all power control, push button. Anybody can do this awning. It gets too windy and everybody's gone. There's only one person there. They can push the button, run it in. Everything's safe. The one won't tear it off. That's a really nice feature. Across the back end, we have our nice stability jacks again on every corner. We have our spare that does mount there. We have our hookups on all on one side and one separate, one specific location. Outside shower. This is our tank flush for our black water. This is where we hook our water hose up. This is where we hook our power up. It's a Marine Co plug. It stores in the front. It's a separate cord. And if they got free cable, use it. And you have your cable TV. Our discharge is right here below. Gray and black, tube, dump. So everything's right here located together, which is really nice. Again, with Apex and Coachmen, we have our Schwintek slide out. It's gear driven, which is nice, even in and even out. Pressure's the same. The ones with the cables, they stretch, cables will stretch, cables will wrap around the pulley, the pulley will get bound up and gritty, and then you'll have to adjust them, and it'll be a constant fight to keep it tight so it doesn't leak. But this is the system you'd like to have. It's a Schwintek slide system. Okay? And then across the front here, the nice part about this, for their new model year change, they've added this front cap. And the front cap comes to here, so they've added a diamond plate rock guard, but the key to this is they've installed the safety glass window, which lets a ton of light in. That's your bed, remember, that's your bedroom. It can be confining for a lot of people. That opens up, lets a ton of light inside the trailer, lets mom feel more, lets she can breathe, cross-ventilate. Super nice. It's a big, big plus. Most people want to have a front window. They've noticed nobody puts them in anymore. Well, they started to do it now, and this is the way to do it. Pretty cool feature. So I'd encourage you to come out and take a peek at it. I'd be happy to show it to you in person, and thanks for shopping today.